Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we are diving into the world of homeschooling, a concept that has gained immense popularity in recent years. Let's first understand what homeschooling actually means. Homeschooling is an educational approach where parents choose to educate their children at home rather than sending them to a traditional school. It allows for personalized learning experiences tailored to the children's unique needs and interests. Now, you might be wondering when and why people opt for homeschooling. There can be various reasons. Firstly, some parents choose homeschooling to provide a religious or value-based education aligned with their beliefs. Secondly, certain children may have learning difficulties or special needs that make traditional classroom challenging. Homeschooling offers a more accommodating and understanding learning environment for such children. Homeschooling can provide numerous advantages. Firstly, it allows for flexibility in scheduling, enabling families to create a routine that works best for them. This flexibility also extends to vacations and travel. Additionally, homeschool fosters stronger family bonds as parents actively participate in their child's education on a daily basis. It also allows for student-based learning, ensuring that each child grasps concepts fully before moving on. While homeschooling offers great benefits, it's important to be aware of its potential challenges. One disadvantage is the lack of social interaction with peers, which can be overcome through involvement in homeschooling groups, sports, and community activities. Another challenge is the need for parents to acquire knowledge of various subjects and teaching methods, which may require significant time and effort. To help you make the most of your homeschooling journey, here are some essential tips. Firstly, establish a well-structured daily routine to maintain discipline and consistency. Secondly, leverage online resources and educational materials available specifically for homeschooling. Thirdly, maintain a strong support network by joining local homeschooling associations where you can share experiences and seek advice. To wrap up, homeschooling can be an excellent alternative to traditional schooling, providing a tailored educational experience focused on individual success. However, it's important to consider potential challenges and make an informed decision that aligns with your family needs and values. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.